Idol, ano pwede gawin kapag ang babae na gusto mo ay may gustong iba? Well, first and foremost, no, wala naman na tayo magagawa dyan. Kasi nga, attraction is not a choice. Walang kaso yun masking may ibang gustong guy yung bet na girl mo. You can still ask her out naman eh. Given the fact na single pa rin siya, ngayon ang next step natin dyan ay alamin natin kung may gusto rin ba si girl sa'yo. Ngayon, if you're asking na, boss, sweet, paano ko ba malalaman kung may gusto ba si girl sa akin o wala? The only way to do this is just to ask her out on a date. Hindi yung through chat lang ha. Kasi ang dami nga yung mga kalalakihan na binebase nila kung may gusto ba sa kanila si girl o wala sa pakikipag-chat sa kanila. Kung marami siyang reply, ibig sabihin may gusto siya. Kung switch siya sa text sa akin, ibig sabihin may gusto na siya 100%. Guys, tanggalin na natin yung mindset na ganyan. Phones are only used for setting dates. The only way to know para malaman mo talaga kung may interest ba sa'yo si girl o wala is to ask her out on a date and talk to her personally. Okay, sige. So, nandun na tayo, no? You ask her out on a date and then sabihin natin she accepts. Then that only means that she is also interested in you. Pero syempre, it doesn't mean na may gusto na din siya sa'yo, no? Binibigyan ka lang niya ng chance and seeing if you are really man enough for her or not. Pero at least, di ba, may pag-asa ka sa kanya. On the other hand though, if you asked her out on a date and she declines your invite in 2 consecutive separate occasions, meaning, if you ask her now, no? And then she declined, wait for 5 to 7 days before you ask her out again. If she still declines, then that is your sign that she is not interested in you. And by this time, your best move is to just, walk away, never look back, and then find other women who are actually interested in you. And kaya nilang i-reciprocate yung feelings mo towards sa kanila. Yung mga babaeng talagang enthusiastic na makita ka, ganun yung mga babaeng dapat mong hanapin, sigarilyo. And by doing that, hindi masasayang ang oras mo sa pag-pursue sa isang babae na wala namang kahit anong bahid ng interest sa'yo, no? Well, good luck sa'yo, sigarilyo, and I hope nakatulong ako. Follow for more and mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.